Kenzo.
Take it and send it to your mom.
Kenzo, what's the matter? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? Come on, come to bed. Come on, Kenzo. Come to bed.
It's starting this.
Come on, boy, lay down. Come on.
In New York City, there's a fine line between law and chaos. On that line live dancing and Highsmith.
Spike, what are you watching? Spike watching TV. Spike it. Spike watching. Kenzo, come on, boy, go to bed. Mom, your dog misses you.